Hey YouTube, how you doing today? This is Carmelita with 401 Pound Weight Loss Journey. And I'm getting ready to make some roasted vegetables. Yes, that's right, some roasted vegetables. I need to roast some vegetables so I can have them to eat throughout the week. I have still been doing whole food plant-based, thank God, / vegan. Last week it was more so vegan than plant-based. And what you guys don't know is vegan can be fattening. I don't want to gain no weight back. So I gotta reel it in and do pretty much whole food this week, okay? So that's what I'm getting ready to do. And I've already made me up some little smoothie bags so I can have smoothies for breakfast and my roasted vegetables as part of my snack. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I have this great medley. I hope you can see it here. I got this at the grocery at Walmart. I got this at Walmart. So it came with carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. So I'm going to pull this on my cookie sheet. I like buying stuff like this that's already ready and prepared to go. No chopping, no mess. Just quick and easy. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And I'm also going to add some, as you can see here, these is Brussels sprouts. Half, already cut in half. Also from Walmart. So we're gonna take this and spread it out a little bit. Okay, so now that we have all our vegetables laid out, the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Over the vegetables. I don't want too much, just a little bit so the flavors will stick to it. I'm also going to be adding some liquid aminos, Bragg's liquid aminos. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of Bragg's. Okay. Then we're going to add a little fennel. Try and get some on all the pieces. We're going to add a little garlic powder. We're going to add a little onion powder. And last but not least, a little black pepper. A little black pepper don't hurt nobody. Okay, so we're going to mix this up. All right. So we're going to put this in the oven. Okay. For about 45 minutes. On about 375. And there goes the dog. So we're going to put this in the oven at 375. And I'll be back. Okay, so now I've taken them out the oven. I'm going to mix them up a little bit and put them back in the oven. They still a little soft. So I'm gonna turn them over, let them brown on the other side a little bit. Yes, Lord, look at that. All those good vegetables. So, so I'm going to turn these over. Let them brown on the other side. All right. So, spread them out. Because I don't want them sweating each other out. Because they're still a little soft. I don't want them soft and mushy. I want them crunchy a little bit. You know what I mean? So, we're going to put these back in the oven for another 25 minutes. Okay? And I'll be back. Okay, everybody. Well, that's it for my my grilled vegetables. They're all done. So I'm going to let them cool off, and then I'm going to put them away in a container and have them accessible for me this week. Once again, this is Carmelita with 401 Pound Weight Loss Journey. Please, if you like my content, hit the thumbs up button. Share my videos with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.